Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In today's video, demonstrate a new project, and this project title is Healthcare Management. This is a complete project managing the hospital like the user, administrator and the doctors. Inside this project, what we are going to do, user just appointing any doctor for the for the disease that the user is suffering from, and then admin can check that appointment and user doctor can fix that appointment. So inside that we have it for three modules. One is for doctor, one is for user, one is for admin. And the new things inside this project, in this project, we can suggest the doctors. If I suggest the doctor, if I select the suggest the doctor link, then it will show me a pop-up like which one I have to select. If I select the A, then it will display the list medicine specialist doctor. So it will display the list of the doctor. I will select the doctor, and then after selecting it will display the profile of the doctor and the appointment schedules of the doctor. So you can check the doctor's details and the appointment timing. Now, as you already know, if you are a last year student, then you know that projects, college projects are most important. So for your last semester also, and for your job interviews. So this might be help. This project might be help for you. So you can check the description of this video for downloading the project or for the source code of this project, or you can just directly enter the updateco.com on your Google browser and then select the project for the more detail about this project, and then find the project here. There are lots of other project also. You can check that also. Select this project. So after that it will open and display all the detail of this project. So you can check the details of this project, and if you are interested in this project, you can just contact us by selecting any contact detail like WhatsApp, Telegram or Instagram, whatever it is feasible for you. You can select any options. Now we will come to the project here. Now we are just login as a user for the appointing any doctor. Just login as a select doctor. Now for the user, you can just log in with the user. You can select any user, and then after selecting and entering the details, you can open the user details. So I just registration with the new user. Back to the home page. Now I'm just login as admin and then admin. Okay, now it will display admin section and display all the doctors that are currently. If I want to delete any doctor, I just select the delete button, and then it is the usernames. Okay, I have to select the user. Now if I want to display all the doctor, then it will display all the doctors. Inside this it will display all the doctor. If I want to delete any doctor, just select the doctor name and then delete button. Now if I want to add any new doctor, what I need to do, just select the add new members or the doctor. I have to fill all the details of that doctor, and after filling the details I just need to registration. So it will open automatically, and it will registration also for that doctor. So I just back to the home page. List of all the appointments, it will display all the list of appointment. Currently this doctor has appointed with this username, and this doctor is appointed with this username. So same, this is also appointment doctor, and the request, currently this user has requested to this doctor for the appointment, so admin can approve or they reject that request. So if I reject that request, so it will automatically remove from the list. Now back to the home page. If a user has requested for the appointment, then that will directly go to the doctor. If I just back and I log in as a user, currently I don't have any user, so what I need to do, just open the database and check the username. So I use the user that I already created. So I use this username, and then password is 123456789. Okay, and then login. So as a user I have login. Now it will display me one notification. Okay, your appointment has been approved by this doctor. This is one request that I have already approved. Now I am booking my appointment for this, for which specification list I have to select any. I select the medicine and select this doctor, and number of, enter your IDs, enter your ID 20, enter this ID 23, and select the date. I will select the date from any date, like I am selecting this date, and the timing. I have selected the timing. Okay, now I have to select the date and the timing and then submit. Okay, now we have submitted the request. Entering the details 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then submit. Okay, now if I checking the appointment details, it will display here that we have approved, that we have requested for this doctor. Now suggestion doctor for A, I am entering the A, and then I'm selecting this one. For this we have doctor this one, so I will appointment for this doctor also. Just select the select. Here we have a consultancy options also, like select the hours, medicine, and then these are the consultancy hours for this doctor. We can use this also. So this is the project that we can use for your college project, or you want to update this project more also, then you, for the commercial purpose, then you can use that also for some modifications, that we need to modify the UI of this project, and we need to add some more functionality for the user, for the doctor, and for the admins, and that might be help in your college, in your real time, and in your interviews also. So this is all about this project. And if you want to open the and if you want to open this admin panel, if you want to open the doctor panel, then what you need to do, just open this, just use the credentials of the doctor, and then after entering that into the doctor panel, just enter ID and then password. It will open the doctor panel also. Okay, after opening you will see the requested, total number of requested, approve or reject or cancel. You can cancel or reject anything you want to, you can do at your doctor end also. So you can check this complete project inside the website also. So thank you for watching this video, have a good day, and if you're interested in this project, you can check the descriptions of this video for the contact for downloading this project, or if you needed this project, you can also then connect also.